The Nature Foundation is a nonprofit, non-governmental agency on St. Maarten. We aim to preserve and enhance the natural environment of our island for generations to come through a variety of educational, nature conservation, and research initiatives. Through our contract with the Ministry of Romi, the Foundation performs many essential tasks to safeguard the marine and terrestrial ecosystems of our island. Through our activities, we work to spread awareness and increase protection to preserve the essential natural resources of St. Maarten. The Foundation is working hard to protect the unique beauty and charm of the island, to preserve nature and its benefits for future generations. Please do your part to help protect our nature and reduce negative impacts by limiting your plastic use, disposing of garbage properly, and helping us to raise awareness about the need to protect our natural resources.